Hi all, welcome to a new video for development series. In this video, we are going to see how we can uh, use our custom template for the Horilla tab. Okay, like the other views we done past Horilla list view, card view. For the tab view, it also the same. So you just simply how to provide the template path for and map it inside the tab view. So let's jump into the VS Code. I'll show you a quick demo. So this is our okay, this is our tab view. You can see shift request tab. So if I need to use my custom template for this tab, I simply have to provide the template name, and I need to provide the path where the template actually exists. So let's create a new template. So the custom map templates. Let's provide a new file name like custom shift tabs .html and provide that. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is the template. Now, inside the shift request tab, provide the template path. In my case, I just created that inside the template directory. So I simply have to provide the custom shift list.html. In your case, maybe you have some additional sub directories. So you have to provide the complete path from the template directory path. So uh, from now on, the shift request tab will take this template. I can provide my custom tab template. Now when I refresh here, template is existing. Let's restart the server and check what this actually is going on. Then refresh. No records available at the moment. So when we check the HorillaTabView, it's a template name HorillaTabs.html. Yeah, HorillaTabs. How to use this template? Custom. Oh yeah, sorry. I'm use different template over here. You can see I use custom shift list.html. Instead of that, I have to provide the tabs one. That's the one that we just created. You can see that my custom tab template. Okay, now let's have the server. Okay, so we have. So now you can see the template is visible. So when you check the Horilla tab view and check the context method, you will get all the available context for the tabs. So using that, you can write your own tab design or something like that, and you can extend the default one and you can customize it. For example, when I check the Horilla tabs, and I can simply copy all the code from here, and I can use the same code inside the custom shifted tab. From here, I can do the changes with all right inside the template. Now when I refresh inside the template, here you can see the tab is now visible. So that's how you configure or extend or use custom template for Horilla tab view. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. And thank you for watching.